Hey there. Are you curious about the connection between Fed interest rates and cryptocurrency prices? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of macroeconomics and its impact on the wild west of crypto. And okay, first off, let's talk about the big cheese, the Federal Reserve or the Fed. So, it's the central bank of the U.S., and one of its main jobs is concerned for summer ciders that we're seeing that. So that Richard, for that reason, to manage interest rates, when the Fed lowers interest rates, it makes borrowing money cheap, but also create inflation. On the flip side, raising interest rates discourages borrowing, reducing the money flow in the economy and slowing down inflation. Now, let's connect the dots to cryptocurrency. You see, when interest rates change, it affects the price of assets like stock, bonds, and yes, even cryptocurrencies. Think of interest and rates as a common denominator that influences how much an asset is worth. So when interest rates go up, the price of risky assets like crypto tends to drop. Why? Well, investors get spooked and look for safer places to put their money, like bonds, which now give them a better return. But wait, there's more. Rising interest rates also mean that borrowing money becomes more expensive. This can hurt the crypto market, where folks love to use leverage, borrowed money, to amplify their gains. When interest rates rise, those leverage positions become harder to maintain, and investors might need to sell their crypto holdings fast, causing prices to plummet. Ouch. Of course, there are counter-arguments too. Some crypto enthusiasts believe that long-term investors won't be affected much by short-term fluctuations in Fed policy. They're in it for the long-term haul and think crypto has massive potential. Plus, if the traditional financial system gets rattled by Fed actions, that could boost distrust in fiat currencies and benefit cryptocurrencies the long run. Finally, certain cryptos might still be seen as an inflation hedge if interest rates rise alongside high inflation. And so, what's the final verdict? Well, the relationship between the Fed's interest rates and crypto prices is complicated. Sure, a hike in interest rates might hurt crypto in the short term, but who knows what the future holds? Maybe a stable interest rate environment will actually help the crypto market grow in the long run. Your guess is as good as mine. But hey, that's what makes life interesting, right? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.